So just want to do a quick video on the Easy Red 1/2" ratchet that I broke, taking out or trying to take out the bolt on the car. Finally got my head replacement. I contacted them and they said they would send this out if I didn't mind changing it, which I don't, because the only thing that broke is this, not the handle itself. It's not bent or anything, as you can see, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But let's take a look at the item here. So this is what you get. It is made in Taiwan, and I actually like these ratchets, so I'm pretty happy. There's nothing else in there other than the new head. So let's go ahead and take these out. So that's what it looks like. It does have a new screw. So there we go. Where'd it go? Let me focus here. There you go. So it's identical. Obviously it is a 1/2 inch. So I'm just gonna swap it over and put this back together. It does use a Torx 20. I don't know if the camera's gonna get it, but let's go ahead and do that. This might be bent, maybe. So I see why they send you a screw. So that makes sense. Okay, let me put it here so I know which one's which. And it does come with Loctite. It's not completely tightened, or else you won't be able to move it. So now, before I take it out, let me see. This was facing. I'm trying to remember. Is it this way or that way? Okay, so I put the arrow here just to kind of guide me. The arrow is the top, so, or the this part is on the left side, I guess, because you can put it either way. I'm pretty sure. This on the 3/8 was a little stuck, so I had to disassemble it and sand it a little bit, because after you get a lot of grease and dirt, it'll get stuck. This one's fine since I don't use it that often. But let me keep going here because it is a little tight. Looks like it is bent, which makes sense. Yep. And I didn't even think about that until now. So it's good that they send you a spare. Hard to tell. Anyways, you have to hold it because this wants to just come out. Hold that. So there's nothing there. See if I can get a shot of it. But the teeth are actually good. So we're good there. Right, let me just flip it the right side here. Oops, don't let it fall. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in. I think I got it right. Oops. What is this? Oh, this is my okay, well, that didn't go as planned. So this here, I don't know, it goes top or bottom. I have the camera in front of me, so it's a little hard for me to see her. Okay. So that's what that looks like. So I guess I gotta put this one in and then put the other piece in there so that way it won't come out. Alright, do that. Come on. Why does this thing keep coming out? Alright, let me pause for a minute and do it offline here. Alright, I was having a hard time putting this back because that spring that goes inside of this piece, which goes in like that, had fallen off and I didn't see it. And so I was trying to figure out why this kept going all the way in. And the teeth also have that small spring. So you have two springs that you gotta make sure you put on them before you can put it back together, or it's not gonna function correctly. So let me get back to that now that I found it and put it back together. And we're good. Now it works the way it's supposed to. So make sure you don't lose your springs, or else you're gonna be trying to figure out why it's not working correctly. So the new head, it's on, so the ratchet, it's back together again. That's pretty good. I did put a little WD-40 on here. Sorry, I was trying to see over the phone. On here so it doesn't get stuck because it was pretty dry in there. And my, what is it, the 3/8 got stuck over time, but I went ahead and fixed that already. But since I took this one off, might as well fix it. I might put some oil in there, but it's essentially dry, so we'll see. Anyways, that's pretty much it. The Easy Red does guarantee their ratchets for life, so as you can see, they did send me a new one, so that's pretty nice. Also, another thing to remember, if you're gonna need to do a large bolt or anything like that, just don't grab a ratchet, just grab a breaker bar just to be sure, and you'll be alright. Obviously I just used whatever was closed, even though I had a longer breaker bar, but as you saw in that video where I changed that, when I was working on and broke this, that's the reason you don't want to use the ratchet on there. So with that in mind, that's pretty much it for this video. And let's take a look. So nothing broke here. Might be a little bent though. Kind of is. I don't know. It's hard to tell. But yeah, that's pretty strong stuff. So it takes a lot to do that, but I still managed to do it.